What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we have a Squid Game character. We have the guard with the square shape on his mask. I picked the square one. I guess he's like the leader of the guards. So, great show, Squid Game. Just finished it. Super impressed. So, let's go. Landscape orientation paper, use a pencil and an eraser and hit pause if I go too fast when I move my hand and stuff like that. So, I guess the easiest place to start is this kind of T-bar that's in the middle of his face, right? So a ruler might be handy for the center line. So it kind of goes down to his chin down here. Like there. And then we'll go kind of straight down. Right down to there, and the same on the other side. Like so. That's what we got. And you just go down again on the inside. Right? And then he has this curved line that comes along here. Okay? So a bar kind of curves around this way. Okay? Like so, and then the other side, so this eventually will kind of like go in behind his hood, just there. So the other side comes along the top of that. Like up to here, okay? And then his hood will go down from here, like so. Right, so it's slightly curving down to there, like so. And then we got like his chin and his jaw, and it's just like this round sort of shape just down here. Okay, so tricky enough now to get these sort of gradually sort of smooth round features, right? So then this will curve all the way around to the top, right? So it'll keep going. So up and around. Like an egg. Kind of like that, okay. And then we have the square inside here, okay? So 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And we'll just go like so. And we're on a curve, right? So they're curved lines. So this one will go up to there. And then this side as well. Up to there. And then we'll join these across the top to there. And then we just do that again on the inside. So we go down, across, up, there, like so. Not bad. This line's a little bit wobbly. Try and fix it. Right, so then what can we see of a neck? Not much. Kind of like just a zipper starting here. goes straight down, right? It'll go all the way off my page. Right, and then there's a collar in here, but can you see his neck? No, it just kind of goes up underneath his chin and maybe goes back this way, like so. And then like some of his neck, maybe you should see some of his neck inside here, but that's mostly in shadow. I'll just color it black. You can't actually see his neck, so you just color that in dark, like so. So then the line for the hood, the way it joins the shoulder, just comes across here. It's like a jumpsuit, so it's all the one sort of shape, and then this will go up and around his head, okay? So it'll go like up this way. Right, like so. Same sort of thing on this side. Like this. Goes around his head, down to there. There might be like a light sort of rim or edge line going around here. There might be. This is optional. You could do this in with color, you know, like a lighter pink or a darker pink, like so. Right, so then shoulder, so normally head width is how far out you want to go for his shoulders, right? So he's kind of slanted sort of down shoulders, right? It's down, real slouchy sort of posture. Down that way. Out here. So you're roughly sort of head width. And the arms come down to there. So he's got a pocket. Sort of here, comes around just like a rectangle. This comes down to there. And then we got like a button on the pocket here, and there could be some stitching or something. Another line on top, maybe a fold line there, and then there's like his armpits, sort of there. Right, so like a letter Y sort of shape is always good for armpits. Like coming down from his shoulder, like so. And then there's like a latch or something that hangs down here, like a circular thing, curves down to there. And then there's like some fold lines and stuff comes down from corners of his jacket and stuff, goes down here, like across this way. And right. So you can just sort of thicken up some like edge lines where there'd be shadows and stuff. You know, just around here normally there'd be a shadow sort of from the hood going onto his mask. So if you wanted to like make these kind of a little bit darker, you could. But of course that's totally optional. Some people wouldn't like to do that at all. Right. Maybe a bit of a shadow down here. Yeah, but I think that'll have to do. That's how to draw the Squid Game guard. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.